Pointy Groups in Civil 3D, created by Ahmed Dmour. Hello and welcome to this lesson. In road and land development projects, engineers often deal with thousands of points collected from survey crews or created during design. To make these points useful, Civil 3D allows us to organize them into pointy groups. Pointy groups act like filters and containers that help us control the display, labeling, and management of the point efficiently. About pointy groups. Pointy groups is a named collection of points in Civil 3D. Purpose: organize, survey, and design points. Control the way points look, style, and what they display labels. Apply property overrides to many points at once. Pointy Groups Collection. From Prospector tab, in Pointy Groups, you can view and manage all pointy groups. Expand the Pointy Groups collection, and you can show three groups: all points, detention pond, and store manholes group. Right-click a pointy group to do the following. Edit the pointy group's properties. As shown, pointy groups, properties, store manholes, information tab. You can change name for this group, store manholes, and you can add description for this group, and you can change the rules or style for the group from here. Right-click, and you can edit the points in the point group point list from here. As shown, this is point in this group. You can add or remove a specific point from this group manually. Close. And you can lock points. Locking stops change. Unlock allows edits from here. Lock point or unlock points. And you can export points. You can save the group's point to the external file, CSV file or text. Delete point to remove the actual survey points from the drawing. And you can make a copy of the point group, duplicate the group with the same setting, and you can show change. In Civil 3D shows what need refresh, new points matching the group rules. For example, if new sewer manholes were added but don't show up, the list will tell you the updates are needed. Update the point group if it is out of date from here. And you can delete the group from here or select this group. For example, select this group 1, 2, 3 for all points in this group. Zoom to this group, and you can lock and unlock for all the group. Point group default styles. Each point group can have a default point style. For example, go to store manholes, then properties, choose default styles. In this group, point style storm sewer manhole, and point label style elevation and description. Okay. Zoom to this point, for example. Store manholes point style is green, and inside it the letter. And point label style is elevation and description as shown. And in detention pond, zoom to this point. Detention pond with the style point is standard with X, cross, green, and point label style also standard with description and elevation, number of point as shown.